In this pandemic situation, most of the people are losing their jobs due to various reasons. So if you want to earn extra cash from any corner of the world, you have to search more and more. Cryptocurrency is one of the best earning source. You can ensure that from any types of websites, but remember, you should bear in mind that there are lots of scam sites to earn cryptocurrency from any corner of the world. You have to research, or you have to know more and more about that cryptocurrency before investing your money. So today I want to share about 7 legit cryptocurrency websites to invest your money for ensuring extra cash by hook or by crook from any corner of the world. So before starting this video, I cordially request to subscribe my channel, and if you click the bell button to, if you want to know more and more about make money online, just like, share more and more with your friends. On the other hand, if you didn't click on this bell button, please click on this bell button to get all types of notifications from this make money online. So let's get started. Alright, today I want to share about top 7 cryptocurrencies to invest in September 2020. First one is called Ripple. Ripple works as a cryptocurrency and a digital payment network for financial transactions. It offers secure global financial transactions and is one of the most widely used digital coins for cross-border payments. And this one is only network that allows banks to send and receive money transfer instructions. What's more, reports suggest that Visa and Western Union could soon embrace Ripple. So this one is the best and trustworthy website to ensure your cryptocurrency from here. Next one is called Bitcoin. As the granddaddy of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is still the number one choice for existing and new investors. After 3 years of ups and downs, the price has stabilized to around 8470, making it one of the safest options for anyone entering the crypto space for the first time. This year has witnessed another Bitcoin halving program in event that reduces the number of new coins generated by the network for many Bitcoin's bulls. This increasing scarcity is part of what underpins the cryptocurrency's real value. Next one is Ethereum. Ethereum is a global decentralized computer powered by its own currency known as Ether. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency platform with a market cap of $44.35 billion at $298 per coin. It's still a long way of Bitcoin in terms of value, so you can try to ensure this Ethereum. Next one is Tron, one of the blockchain purists. Tron is a decentralized entertainment and content sharing platform that uses peer-to-peer technology. It's a creators want to build a free global digital platform with distributed storage technology. So for many analytics, Tron will power the next generation social media platforms for sharing and creating content. Tron coins are currently valued at $0.018. Next one is called Litecoin. Launched in 2011, Litecoin was the first altcoin on the block. It shares many similarities with Bitcoin, but with a network that is cheaper and easier to maintain. Litecoin is far less resource intensive. Litecoin is another cryptocurrency with a limit on production. There can only be 84 million Litecoins so far. Miners have dug up around 55 million. So you can also try to get it. Next one is called Neo. Is an open source blockchain platform created in 2014 by Chinese computer programmers Da Hongfei and Rick Zhang. It was the first cryptocurrency to come out of China and is often referred to as Chinese Bitcoin. So this one is also where real assets can be digitalized for easy liquidity. NEO has a strong sense of dominating the Asian crypto market in 2022. So this is the total statistics about this NEO. Next one is final one, I think Titan. Titan is the young upstart causing quite a stir within the crypto community. This innovative new payment system was designated to provide real-world solutions to make of the existing problems that come along with the established crypto coins. It uses a revolutionary new blockchain technology with the hybrid power. So along with a dual algorithm system for verifying and securing transactions almost instantly. Titan coin also comes with a decentralized multi-currency wallet. It lets you add, send or receive Titan coins easily by using the sender or receiver address, and Titan coins is freely available to download to on all major platforms including Android, web, Windows, Linux and iOS, also Mac. So this one is the best and easiest way to ensure your cryptocurrency from these 7 websites by investing your money for ensuring extra cash from any corner of the world. So I could really request to research about that particular 7 or trusted 7 cryptocurrency websites before investing on this. So thanks for watching this video till then. I cordially request to subscribe my channel. If you didn't subscribe, please click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. Or on the other hand, if you want to earn more and more, just click on this playlist over here. Lots of earning related videos from here. This one is 2 playlists. First one is called Make Money Online Tricks and second one is YouTube channel tips. Follow this playlist to start your journey on this particular website for earning million dollars from this website. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.